Hello, Hello, students. This is Miss Mishu, and this is your assignment on filling out an income tax form, the 1040. First of all, you will be getting a W-2 form from your employer by the end of January in order to complete your income taxes for April 15. Here is an example of a W-2 wage and statement form. You will notice the person's name in this section here, wages in box 1, federal income tax in box 2, Social Security withheld in box 4, and state income tax in box 17. You will need this W-2 statement in order to fill out your income tax. So please get out your 1040 income tax statement, and let's fill in the information in the top. The person's name is Ima, middle initials G, last name student. This person's social security number is 123456789. And here is their address, 1 Robert Stevens Drive, York, Maine, 03909. We will be pretending that we're filling this out on April 1, 2019. So this is where you would sign Ima's name. I'm a G student. And the date would be 4/1/19. Okay, so time to move on to the next section. In line number 1, this is where you put the wages, salaries, and tips from Form W-2. So that amount is $27,922. 2A is 0, 3A is 0, 4A is 0, and 5A is 0. Line 6 asks you to add up lines 1 through 5, so that ends up being $27,922. We will not itemize deductions. That's more for when you own your own home and have a lot of those types of deductions. We will use a standard deduction of $12,000 for being single. So that is what you enter on line 8. Line 9 is 0. And then line 10 asks you to subtract line 8 from line 7. So 27,922 minus 12,000 is 15,922. Now we need to figure out, and that's referred to, by the way, as your taxable income. Now we need to figure out how much income tax is due on 15,922. So I'm going to go back to the previous slide that contains the tax tables. You can find yours in your packet. Remember the number 15,922. So we're looking up 15,922, and that would be at the bottom. And the intersection of that and single and you will notice that that amount is, whoops, let's go back one here. Sorry about that, I gotta go back one. That amount is $1,721. So that's the amount that should have been taken out of your paycheck. Line 11 is 0, line 12 is 0. Line 13 asks you to subtract lines 12 from line 11, so that's 1721. There are no other taxes, so 14 is 0. Line 15 is line 15 rather is 1721. That's 1721 plus 0 is 1721. Now we need to figure out how much money was actually withheld from our paycheck throughout the year. So we will go back. Oops, here we go. To the W-2 form. And you will notice that the actual federal income tax withheld, you'll notice in box number 2, is $2,210. So we put $2,210 on line 16, 0 for 17, and line 18 says add lines 16 and 17, so 2210 plus 0 is 2210. Now, line 19, will we get a refund? If line 18 is more than 15, subtract it from line 18, and it is. We paid more in than we needed to. So 2210 minus 1721 is $489. So that's the amount that we want refunded to us. So that same number goes on 20A. We don't owe any, so on 22 we put 0. And basically that's it. We paid more in throughout the year than what we needed to, so we will get a refund. Now try assignments number 2 and 3 on your own using this information. Thank you, good luck, and see me if you need help. Have a great day.